In Monroe County, Florida, Deputy Hernandez initiated a traffic stop for failure to move over. What began as routine enforcement escalated into a DUI investigation, a physical extraction, and an arrest. Each step raises distinct legal questions about authority, force, and procedure. The outcome of any criminal proceedings remains unknown at the time of this analysis.
Hey, how's it going, ma'am?
Hi.
Deputy Sheriff's Office, got your license on you?
I'm sorry?
You got your license on you?
I do.
I'm just pulling you over. You failed to move over for me, okay? And you drove into the bike lane when you passed me.
Wait, say it again.
So I pulled you over failing to move over, okay?
Failing to move over, what does that mean?
So when you see law enforcement or any first responder on the side of the road with their lights on, you have to move over to the vacant lane, okay?
I guess so. Okay.
7221, go for it.
Code 4 to 99.
What was that other one? Just an ID card?
Yeah, I did. Here you go.
Okay. You can have the ID back. You have registration, proof of insurance by chance?
I do, of course I
Okay. And where are we coming from tonight?
do. Say again?
Where are you coming from tonight?
I mean, I don't have to answer to.
You don't. Alright, thank you. And proof of insurance? Either the card or on your phone?
Is it not there?
No, that's just your registration.
Give me 1 second and I will.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
10821.
But again, why did you pull me over?
For failing to move over for law enforcement, okay? So,
I don't understand that.
The subject declines to answer where she is coming from. This is legally accurate. The Fifth Amendment imposes no obligation on a driver to answer investigatory questions beyond providing required documentation. The deputy does not press the issue, the correct response. The deputy asks the driver to exit, citing the odor of alcohol, watery eyes, and slow speech. The subject claims she has been crying. Under Pennsylvania versus Mimms, an officer may lawfully order a driver from a vehicle during any lawful stop, no additional justification required. The subject's refusal is a refusal of a lawful order, regardless of her beliefs about why she was stopped.
Can you explain it?
I got you. So, when you see, like, this is a traffic stop, right? I'm a police officer, there's red and blue lights in my car. You can't drive past me in the right lane, okay? You have
So I had to pull up to the left side.
You had to move over to the left lane.
I'm sure I did it because I always do that, but that's fine.
Okay. Do me a favor, hop out the car for me, please?
No, I will not.
Yes, you will.
Why?
Because I'm smelling alcohol coming from your car, your eyes are watery, and you're acting all slow.
Listen, I've been crying. I'm going through a really hard breakup, and
I understand that, but I'm still smelling alcohol coming from the car, okay?
no, there's not.
Yes, sir. So can you hop out the car for me?
7221 for car.
No,
Go for it. So you just speak when you got the car.
I'm not going to.
Come on, let's hop out the car for me.
No.
Yes.
Copy, do you need the air?
Negative left right now. Come on, ma'am. Hop out the car. I'm going to be conducting a DUI investigation, okay?
That's fine.
All right, then hop out the car.
No, I'm not.
All right. Come on.
Whoa, you're... What?
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Give me your other hand.
Okay. That's a little rough, but that's fine.
Okay. It can be a little rough.
Damn it.
Yeah, when you don't want to listen to me and follow my orders. I asked you to get out the car. No, I told you to get out the car multiple times and you said no, straight to my face.
I mean...
7221, I'm code 5. Male custody.
But this is on camera, right?
Correction, female custody. Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay, perfect.
Copy.
Any needles or anything on you?
No, definitely not.
Pennsylvania versus Mimms established that ordering a driver from a vehicle is de minimis, so minimal it requires no further legal threshold. The subject's authority to challenge that order exists in court, not behind the wheel. Applying Graham versus Connor. The underlying offense is non-violent. The subject made no threatening movements, and her resistance was purely verbal. The force used physical extraction, ground control, handcuffing sits at the upper boundary of what passive resistance would ordinarily justify. Whether it crosses into unreasonable force is a close analytical question.
Definitely not.
Okay. I'm gonna help you get out.
Please help me do something.
I will.
71, I copy. I'll be breaking and I'll be in route to location momentarily.
Copy.
Alright, you do me a favor, roll on your side right here.
Of course, yeah, whatever you say.
Put your knees up. And I'm gonna pull you this way and use your feet to stand up, okay?
Oh, of course, yeah.
Alright, so I'm still conducting my DUI investigation, okay? Would you like to perform a field sobriety exercises to dispel my
I don't
belief?
understand what you're saying.
So I think you're drunk. Off of alcohol?
I think you're drunk. Well,
I'm not
that's
drunk.
fine.
I believe you're drunk either under alcohol or a
Okay.
controlled substance, okay? So drugs.
Whatever you say.
Would you like to perform a field sobriety exercises to disprove my belief
Yes,
of that?
let's go.
Okay, just sit in my car real quick. I'm gonna wait for my partner to get here.
Perfect.
Well, for Kishima, resource violation.
Dad, I think
I'll be
you're
out with
drunk.
you if I could go.
Okay. Pull over, fail to move over. Get out of the car and smelling alcohol. Eyes are watery. Like talking slow, slurred. Yeah, I told her to get out of the car like 3 times. She kept saying, no, I'm not, no, I'm not. So I opened the door and yanked her out. Nah, she wants to do field sobriety exercises, so I think we will move over to that parking lot right there.
So why did you stop me, Deputy Hernandez?
To failing to move over.
Failing to move over to...
Okay. It's not a setup. I've seen your car the whole time.
I know how Monroe County works.
Okay.
You're very young.
Alright, just hop out, and we're gonna do the exercises right here, okay?
Okay, can you unchuck
Yes, I'm
me?
gonna uncuff you when you get out.
So when I get out here now?
Yes. So I'm take out your handcuffs, and we're going to conduct the field sobriety exercises, okay?
Oh, of course, whatever you say, Deputy Hernandez.
Just relax. I still need to take this one off.
Listen, I'm relaxed, but so what does this imply?
What do you mean? The exercises?
Yeah, for sure.
To disprove my belief that you're driving your car drunk. Because I
But
believe
you
you're.
said I didn't pull over because you had stopped somebody and that's why you pulled me over?
I stopped you because you failed to move over. Just come step in front of my car, okay?
For sure. In front of your car, so right here, in the middle?
Yep, we'll do it right here actually.
Okay, so let's do it.
Right here. Come step on my light, okay? And face me, okay?
Wait, but hold on because I'm a tattoo artist and cops get tattoos all the time.
Mm-hmm.
And they told me how it works to do the drunk test.
Okay, so you don't want to do the field
No,
sobriety
I
exercise?
definitely do. Let's go.
Okay,
Where's the light though?
Face me. Put your feet together, hands by your sides, okay? Okay, so for this exercise, you're gonna follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Do you have any medical problems? Diabetic?
No, I do not.
Epilepsy?
No,
Okay, you have any false eyes?
no, I do not.
Okay, blindness in any eye?
Definitely not.
Okay, any head injuries?
No.
Okay, so you're gonna follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head, okay? If my light is blinding, then just tell me to move it and we'll move it, okay?
Wait, hold on. Tell me to move what?
So if my light blinds you,
Okay.
just tell me to move it. Now I'll move it, okay?
But I'm doing your test, so why would I tell you to move it?
Because I don't want you to. Do you want your light like this blinding your eye? No.
I mean, it does. I mean, I'm doing a test for you.
Exercises. They're not tests. They're exercises.
Whatever it is,
Okay.
but I mean.
Okay, just put your hands by your sides. We're gonna begin the exercise, okay?
So
Don't move your head. Just follow up your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Don't move your head, okay? Just keep looking at it. Gotta keep looking at it. You're not looking at it, okay?
I am.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go up. Don't lift your chin. Don't move your head, okay?
I moved my chin, but I'm sorry.
I got you. Just keep looking at the keep looking at the pen. Okay. For the next exercise is the walk and turn, okay? So can you walk in a straight line? Do you have
Yes,
any?
of course I
do
can.
you-
Can you tell me the straight line?
I understand. We're gonna go through all that, okay?
Okay, so
Do you?
I
your-
go as you say.
Okay. Your legs hurt? Any leg injuries? Anything like that?
No, not
So
at all.
you can walk perfectly fine?
Perfectly fine.
Okay, so we're gonna step right here, okay?
So, okay, yeah.
Okay. So for this exercise, I'm going to explain the exercise, then I'm gonna demonstrate it to you, then I'm gonna tell you to begin, okay?
Go ahead.
So
Demonstrate it
I
to
need
me.
I need you to get in the starting position, okay?
Is this?
It's not that. So
So
put your
where
left
is
foot.
the way?
Put the left foot on your line on the line.
Okay.
Put it right in the middle of the line, okay?
Wait, but you said you were gonna demonstrate it.
I am.
So go ahead.
So put your left foot on the line like this.
Okay.
Right foot in front, touching heel to toe, okay?
Heel to toe. Okay.
Yep, touching heel to toe.
Okay.
Hands by your sides. Now stay in that position until I tell you to start the exercise, okay?
But listen, you said you were gonna demonstrate.
I am
it to
going to
me.
demonstrate it.
Can you do?
I am.
first?
But I need you to stay in this position.
But listen, demonstrate it to me first.
I am.
As you said.
But I need you to stay in that position. Then I'm going to demonstrate it, okay? So can you get back?
I'm feeling a little uncomfortable. And the camera's on, right?
Yes, ma'am. Is that a
Okay,
red light?
so there is a red light.
Then it's recording.
So you said you were gonna demonstrate it.
I am going to
first.
demonstrate it. I
Okay,
just
so
need you to.
demonstrate it.
I need you to stay in the starting position now. That's a part of. That's in part of the instructions, okay?
Okay.
So
whatever.
left foot on the line, right foot in front, heel to toe, hands by your sides, okay?
Okay.
If you get out that position, just get right back into it, okay?
So I'm good here now.
You got to touch heel to toe like this, and hands by your sides, and stay in that position until I tell you to start.
Wait, is this good for you?
That's good, okay?
Good.
So for this exercise, you're gonna walk down the line 9 steps, take a series of small steps to turn around, then 9 steps back, okay? And I'm gonna demonstrate it right now, okay?
So do it.
So look right here. Can you get back in the starting position
no,
for me,
on
please?
the line. Can you do it on the line?
Can I do it on the line? No, I'm.
You say you were gonna demonstrate.
Yes, I'm gonna do it like this so you can see my foot, okay?
No, I want to see it on the line.
Okay, I'll do it on the line for you. So you're in your starting. Don't worry about it. So right here, okay? You're in the starting position, just like this. While you walk, you're gonna keep your eyes on your feet and count your steps out loud. It's gonna look something like this, okay? 1, 2, 3. I'm only taking 3 steps. You're gonna take 9 steps, okay? When you
9 steps.
Yes, when you get to your 9th step, you're gonna leave your lead foot on the line, take a series of small steps like this to turn around, then 9 back down, 1, 2, 3. Do you understand everything I just explained to you?
I don't.
What don't you get?
I mean, it's way more than what you're demonstrating. Listen, listen. Let's go to the chase. You think I'm drunk?
Yes,
Then
I
take
think you're
me.
drunk.
Okay, so let's go.
Okay.
Okay, then let's go. I'm not doing this shit.
With a partner on scene, The subject is uncuffed for field sobriety exercises. The deputy conducts proper NHTSA pre-exercise screening medical conditions, head injuries, eye and leg issues. The subject denies all. This documentation is not formality. It establishes the validity of any results in court. The horizontal gaze nystagmus exercise is administered. The subject repeatedly moves her head, which the deputy notes. Head movement compromises HGN validity. The deputy correctly continues and documents rather than halting the test. For the walk and turn, a prolonged back and forth over demonstration sequencing deviates from NHTSA protocol, a procedural gap that could affect admissibility. The subject ultimately refuses to complete the walk and turn. Under Florida law, these exercises are voluntary. However, refusal is admissible as evidence of consciousness of guilt and may contribute to probable cause. The deputy proceeds to arrest. The arrest's survival of a probable cause challenge will depend on the totality of observed indicators. At the time of this analysis, the outcome of any charges or civil proceedings remains unknown. Any DUI prosecution here would face scrutiny on two fronts: the force used during extraction against passive resistance, and whether the accumulated indicators absent a completed sobriety test satisfy Florida's impairment standard under Section 316.193.
Let's go.
7221 female in custody, signal 1, issue me offense number, next week's minute, birthday, and next rotation.
No, I don't give you my phone number.
You don't want to pick up your car?
I do. What?
Your phone number is for the tow receipt.
You don't need toll receipts for that.
Do you have any narcotics or anything?
I have nothing. Okay.
All right, perfect.
What?
You just take a picture for it?
Picture for what?
I'm just talking to my deputy, okay?
Oh, okay, go ahead.
Next rotation.
Hey, can you just take a picture of that bottle?
Starting will be 22620. Again, 22620 unit 1920.
Copy.
Let's see if it works.
Hello, what dispatch am I speaking with? What county?
Monroe County.
Oh, hey, how you doing? This is 7118.
4114 units for 5.
Is there any way you could get this phone number and put it in the CAD notes or in card to me? It's for the female. I needed to get the tow receipt.
Yeah, I will put it in the cabin and I'll encourage you.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Bye. Should be right up. Golly.
$7101.
Go ahead.
That serial number returned to clear no record.
Copy.
Deputy Hernandez receives a B-. The stop was lawfully initiated, the DUI indicators were properly articulated, and the pre-exercise protocol was correct. However, the physical extraction of a verbally non-compliant subject without attempting further de-escalation introduced unnecessary force exposure. The deviation from NHTSA walk-and-turn sequencing created an avoidable evidentiary gap, legally defensible at each step, but the execution left the case weaker than it needed to be. The subject receives a C+. She correctly invoked her Fifth Amendment right and understood that sobriety exercises are voluntary, both legally accurate, but refusing the Mimms exit order forced a physical confrontation that was both unnecessary and legally unwinnable in the field. More critically, she agreed to the exercises and then abandoned them, converting a potential exoneration into admissible evidence of guilt. Sound legal instincts, poor execution. 3 lessons from this encounter. 1. Comply first. Contest in court. Refusing a Mimms exit order is legally unwinnable in the field and triggers force. 2. If you are not impaired, complete the test. Refusal is admissible evidence against you. A passed test is evidence for you. 3. For officers, passive verbal resistance demands measured force. An extra verbal command costs nothing. An unnecessary takedown costs everything in civil liability. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.